Hi guys, in this video I want to talk to you how AI is going to be changing the world of investing from today. And in the past, the investors, they had to analyze all the stocks manually, they had to write it down, they need to record this information, they had to maintain this information, and they need to be in the loop of that. And so, which was causing a lot of work for them because you need to know a lot of the information and you don't have to miss anything. And so that was working because, but you need to use your brain a lot at that time. Then there was a time when it's like a lot of tools were coming into play, which was actually simplifying the life of investors. So right from that point, most of the information was provided in the broker. So, and then the broker was the central tool, which was used for selecting the stocks, analyzing the stocks, and doing everything with the stocks. And it's kind of simplified the life. So from that point, you don't have to juggle between the different tools, and you just go into one tool and just doing your investment there. And still, because you're kind of not having all the context in your disposal, you are making sometimes wrong assumptions. And it is not very good when you actually invest in and we're losing money. I mean, with a small investment, it's not bad, but when the investment goes bigger, the risks are getting bigger as well. So that's why at some point of time, the backtesting become the cornerstone of all the investments and tradings. Like backtesting is the tool which allows you to run your strategy on the previous market points. For example, you have a strategy you want to test, or maybe you want to see how profitable your current strategy. You can run it on the past performers and for the last market data, I don't know, a year, 2 years, 5, 10 years, and see if your strategy withstand bull markets, bear markets drops, and all this kind of stuff, and under which market condition it actually works. And backtesting is great, it's amazing, but it requires you, first of all, to write the strategy manually, then to backtest the strategy, and then to analyze the report of that strategy. And it is actually very energy consuming. You need to have an entire department of engineers who are going to be writing code for you, who are going to be doing everything for you just to keep you busy. And then you need to analyze those reports of the backtest and see which one is performing, which one is not. And that's why it was working, it was nice, but it was slow and clunky. So why everything is changing right now. Right now, AI can do everything for you. So whereas in the past, you had to have a department of software engineers which are going to be developing your strategy, coding it, running it, backtesting it, and then sending you the report to analyze. Right now, you can literally talk to AI. AI is going to be writing the code for you faster than all the software engineers. Then it's going to be running back tests on your strategy faster than anyone else. Then it's going to pull the report of that, read the report, see how they change the strategy, how the assumption you've made to your strategy is affected its results, and then iterate further again and again and again. Write more tests, read more reports, and find the best performer strategy for you. And this is exactly what's happening right now. While I'm speaking with you, AI is doing all the job. AI is changing the strategy. AI is writing all the codes. AI is backtesting it. AI is reading reports, and AI is iterating it. And at some point of time, AI is going to tell me, all right, this is the best winner. This is the best loser. This is what's happened right. This is what's happened wrong. Uh, Without further ado, let's pause it for a bit and let's continue our discussion as soon as the report comes in. Okay, the result is here, and what happened while we were speaking? I had this strategy, which is, let me scroll up here. Yeah, that was the baseline, which was producing this profit, and CAGS was there. However, it was not yet production ready because it was executing market orders and there's a couple of things which I had to fix. So I said, okay, AI, let's do that. Let's apply the changes and let's backtest it. And after I did it, the results kind of dropped tiny bit, which with which I was not very happy. And then I said, all right, give me some suggestions here, how to improve the strategy. And then AI assumed that those options might be viable. So, like options to explore. And they said, all right, let's backtest them. Then AI, it's backtested them, analyzed the report, and give me the summary of all those variations. As you see here, moment rate ranking, it's the best performer because in CAGS is improved, and drawdown is pretty much the same as the baseline. Uh, Drawdown recovery is 550 days and net profit 293%. So compare it to the previous one, the baseline of this one. So here is 293%, and here was 230%. So increase of what is 63% just simply by running a couple of tests. And this is exactly what I'm saying when the trading is going to be changing in the future. In the future, traders, they will not look at the charts. Nobody wants to look at the charts and make all the predictions by themselves. AI is going to do everything. AI is going to be making all the predictions. AI is going to be making all the assumptions. AI is going to be testing it, and AI is going to be also executing all the trades. And this is where I'm going. I'm going to build myself a trading strategy and algorithm which is going to be running on autopilot on my broker. So I'm not going to do anything. I'm going to see how it's going to be running, and I plan to implement it today, maybe maximum tomorrow, on a paper trade account and see if there's any glitches or whatever. And then in the next month, I'm planning to implement it in a live account. And this is what I'm saying. Like, I mean, nowadays you can be in the past and you can try to do anything manually, but trust me, there's no chances you will be competing with with AI, because you saw while we were speaking here for 10 minutes, AI tested 4 different strategies. And it can test even more. I can run it like 5 different testers without any problems, spin it up, and it's going to be running multiple variants, testing all of them, and finding the winners. So while you're doing everything manually, AI, the traders and investors who are using AI, they're going to be winning. So long story short, if you want to learn how to use AI in your advantage, I'm opening my own community. If you want to join my community and if you want to learn how you can use AI into your advantage, how to improve your strategy, how to backtest your strategy, how to automate your trading systems, feel free to join. I will teach everything I know. We will test your strategy. We will backtest your strategy. We will do everything to automate to make your life simpler. So this is the objective of this community. If you're interested, I'm gonna drop the link in the description section. Feel free to join. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I hope you like this video. Take care. Bye.